Sailing canoe as a class traces its history back to the late 19th century and the outdoors movement that was operating in England and the United States. Industrial, mercantile middle class was really working in the notion that it was leisure time. John McGregor and Warrington Baden Powell, brother of the founder of the Boy Scouts, were the leading characters in England, the United States, Rushton and others, and the sport actually started as international competition or meet between English and American late 19th century. The class really became international in the 1930s when the English and Americans wrote a new international rule for development of canoes under one set of rules. That's carried on more or less till the present day. More nations coming, some nations going, but the boats have more or less continuously developed since the 1930s under a rule that says the canoes are about 5.2 meters long, about a meter wide, and have 10 square meters of sail.
Now the differences with these, they are actually canoes. They're 750mm wide at the widest point, generally 5.2 metres long. The thing that makes these unique is they have a sliding seat, also known as a plank in Australia, which just slides out and allows the skipper to hike when he's in a really stiff wind, and these guys really fly. You've got your tiller extension for steering. Because they're not as wide as normal boats, they're very hard to control, and you need to be a very unique breed of person to be able to control them. Very experienced sailors sail these, so we're going to catch a bit of the action.